Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is October 4, 2023, Wednesday, option expiry for BankNifty, right? First the levels, then the power of technical analysis, then we go into the discussion part of it. FinNifty closed at 19,578.05, 0.8% down, while BankNifty closed almost 1% down, 0.98% down at 43,964.05. Nifty closed 19,436.10, 0.47% down. So power of technical analysis. See, it is not that no, we give some range, some level. The technical analysis tells the clear resistance and support levels that will act as a magic, right? Yesterday, we had given that 20th September opening will act as a resistance. It never went there, hence no worry, which was 45,493.70, because today it opened a gap down. And at the lower level, that's very interesting, right? So what did we say? We said that the Bollinger Lower Band, it will not break in this series. Obviously, at some stage it is going to break, but in this series it will not break. So what was the level yesterday? 43,808. I have mentioned that these are all dynamic levels, and hence no, it can go up or level the levels, the Bollinger Lower Band levels. But one has to be, what is more important is the Bollinger Lower Band, not the exact price. So what was the low today? Low itself is 857. It never went near the Bollinger Lower Band. That is the power of technical analysis. Once again we reiterate, technical analysis is very essential for even for a fundamental analyst. Many people come and tell, oh, fundamental, we don't require technical. No, it's actually fundamental. You don't require any fundamental. Why? What is the fundamental required to do for an INFI, HCL, TCS, Wipro, TechM or HDFC Bank, or you can just blindly buy all these stocks, right? It is only when you want to enter, when you want to exit, that technical analysis will tell you, okay? If you are a long-term investor putting SIP, you need not worry about any movements, just buy and keep it. So that's the power of technical analysis. Having said that, let's go into the analysis. So today it opened significantly gap down. All the indices opened the gap down. Ultimately, it formed a type of called a solid red candle. BankNifty and FinNifty formed a solid red candle, did not break below the Bollinger Lower Band. Of course, interesting thing happened. FinNifty, the low of October went below the low of September, whereas BankNifty defended that level. For Nifty, it is quite some time, some more levels below. So Bank Nifty was able to manage to defend that level while Fin Nifty did not defend. What it tells? It tells very clearly that the closing for this month October is stopped. That means it can't go beyond a certain level. What is the level? September high it cannot take out. That is technical analysis, simple technical analysis. Of course, exceptions can happen, but 995 times out of 1000 times, that is what will happen. That is technical analysis. Okay, so Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty formed a solid red candle, but the kind of candle that it formed, it has provided room that tomorrow it can be a sideways candle or it can even form a kind of a pullback candle. A green candle is also possible. It is such a type of a candle. It all depends on how the global market closes overnight, which is why as a smart trader, one needs to know when to keep position, when to exit positions. Okay. Nifty on the other hand, it formed a hanging man type of a candle, hammer type of a candle, but not technically not, I wouldn't call it as a hammer. It is more of a doji or a spinning top with a long lower leg. That is what it has formed. It cannot be considered as a reversal, but definitely tomorrow anything can happen. A short covering rally can come, or it can go down, or it can form a sideways candle continuing its downward journey. Hence, no, it has to be, one has to extremely be cautious and wary of the situation and accordingly take positions and play. The power of technical analysis we said. Let's go into the analysis part of it. Banks, ICICI fell 1%, Federal Bank, IDFC, IndusInd 2% down, HDFC 1% up. That was the savior of the day. HDFC Bank opened significantly lower at 1499 levels, then finally bounced strongly. That was one candle of 4 hours window that formed the reversal, that set the tone for Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and also Nifty to go up. Otherwise it would have broken all these levels. But is it HDFC Bank out of danger? The answer is no. But technically a temporary reversal has come because there is a gap down that it has formed at 1560 levels or so, that it has to take out. Unless otherwise that is not taken out, the downtrend for HDFC Bank is not over. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, Muthoot Finance 1% down. So of course, SBI and Axis Bank fell 3% and 4% respectively. Axis Bank, it went up significantly, now it came down significantly. So swiftly it came down. In fact, it has covered the last 20 days candle in one single day. That's the power with which bears pushed the prices down today. On the financials, Bajaj Finance and Muthoot 1% down, Chola 3% down, L&T Finance, Shriram 4% down, Manappuram 5% down, Jio IDFC also 2% down, 3% down, Bajaj Finserv and LIC Housing Finance 2% down. Everything went down. So Bajaj Finance today touched a new high, but after which it started coming down. It is definitely the second reversal it has formed. Hence one has to be careful. Analysts will now, TV anchors will get excited. Bajaj Twins, they all get excited. I don't know what really Bajaj Twins does, because every day I get 100 calls, out of which 20 calls are from Bajaj groups and remaining 70 calls are unwanted calls from HDFC Bank and other banks for loans and other things. I don't know how they are surviving. Really, I really don't know. Anyway, that is for fundamental analysts to take care, but technically it has formed the second reversal, hence one has to be careful. While our TV analysts will get excited, be careful. That's all I can say. Insurance and cards, 1% down for LIC and HDFC Life, 2% for SBI Life. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat. In the IT, Apple, Birlasoft, Techem 1% down, Intellect 2% down, Infi and TCS 1% up. That saved the day. And Emphasis 2% up. Consumer goods, ABFRL, Berger, ITC, Pidilite, PVR, Titan 1% down, Trent 2% down, Britannia, Colpal, HUL 1% up, Nestle 3% up, DMart 4% up. So Nestle saved the day. I think stock split they are going to announce, so hence no, there is some push positive consideration, which is why market has taken it up, but technically it is looking weak. Automobiles, Hero Motors, Tata Motors and M&M 1% down, Bajaj Finance, Ashok, Bajaj Auto, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Maruti TVS Motors 2% down, Motherson 3% down, Eicher Motor 1% up, Escorts 2% up. In the metals, everything went down. Coal, Hindalco, Coal India, Hindalco 1% down, JSW, National Aluminium, NMDC, Tata Steel 2% down, SAIL and Jindal Steel 3% down. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Cipla, Thyrocare 1% down. Metropolis and Sun Pharma 2% down. Lalpath 3% down. In the others category, L&T, Adani Ports, Eris, Indigo, Jubilant Food, MCX, Polycab, UPL 1% down. DLF, APL Apollo, Nykaa Ultratech 2% down. Zomato 4% down. Godrej Properties 1% up. Adani Enterprise 3% up. With all these things, today, once again, we were accurate, spot on. Tomorrow, the Nifty closure is there. What we expect is the Bollinger middle band, which will act as a resistance, the same level that we had given yesterday, 19,790.70 or somewhere. I mean, the exact level one should watch over there. But what is more important is the Bollinger middle band on the daily chart. That will act as a resistance, while the support is the same levels that we had given yesterday, because market is very volatile. It is the 8-month exponential moving average. Currently, I think it is at 19,031. Thank you very much.